So, what if I told you that one of the most powerful invoicing systems out there is probably already on your computer, and you're not even using it to its full potential? Today, we're going to dive into how you can turn a tool you already know, Microsoft Excel, into an absolute invoicing powerhouse. Now, if you're a freelancer or you run a small business, does this question kind of hit close to home? You know the feeling, right? Paying for some subscription service that feels bloated, rigid, and just doesn't really get what you need. And you are definitely not alone. So many people are dealing with these exact same headaches. You're shelling out cash every month for software that's packed with a million features you will never, ever touch. You get frustrated because you can't make it look and work exactly the way you want. And let's be honest, some of these systems feel like they take up more time than they actually save. It's a super common story. But what if the answer isn't just another app or another subscription? What if it's been sitting right there on your desktop this whole time? Let's take a look at a really unexpected but incredibly powerful solution. Okay, so here's the core idea. We're going to transform a single Excel file into a fully functional, robust database. Now, this is not just some basic invoice template you download. No. This is a complete system built to handle a high volume of invoices from multiple companies, all powered by some basic database principles. Think of it like teaching Excel to connect the dots between your clients and what you're billing them for, automatically. So how does this whole thing work in practice? Well, we're moving way beyond just a simple spreadsheet with rows and columns. This is a structured system designed from the ground up to handle all the tricky parts of a real growing business. And you are going to be amazed at just how much it can actually do. And that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? It's easy to be a little skeptical here. You're probably thinking, okay, sure, this sounds neat for a few invoices a month, but can Excel really keep up as my business starts to grow? Is it going to crash and burn? Well, the answer is pretty mind-blowing. This system is designed to handle an unlimited number of companies, an unlimited number of invoices for each of those companies, and, yep, you guessed it, an unlimited number of line items on every single one of those invoices. Scalability isn't an afterthought. It is built right into the DNA of this thing. All right, so we've established that it's powerful and it can totally scale with you. Now let's get into the 3 key benefits that really show why this is so much more than just a fancy template. It really all boils down to these 3 huge wins. First, you save a ton of money. Second, you get a solution that is perfectly tailored to your business. And third, you actually walk away with a valuable new skill. Let's talk about saving money first, because who doesn't love that? This approach completely wipes out the need for any of that specialized, subscription-based invoicing software. Just think about it. Those monthly or annual fees you're paying right now, they could go straight back into your pocket. Next up, total customization. Unlike that off-the-shelf software that forces you to work its way, this system is built by you. And that means every single field, every calculation, every report is designed around the unique way your business works, not the way some developer thinks it should. And finally, and this is a big one, this whole process isn't just about invoicing. By learning how to build and manage this system, you're actually picking up fundamental database skills. That is a serious professional asset that is super valuable and transferable to tons of other areas of your business and your career. Okay, this all sounds amazing, but you might be wondering, where did this brilliant idea even come from? Well, this system was developed by an expert who saw the hidden potential in a common tool, and he figured out how to turn it into this specialized solution. And really, the entire philosophy behind it is captured perfectly in this quote from the creator. He calls it a unique skill that clients can save money by. The whole goal is to empower you with knowledge that has a direct, positive impact on your bottom line. It's as simple as that. So, the developer, the mind behind this unique approach, is a man named Nigel Crocker. He's the one who pioneered this whole method of turning good old Excel into a high-powered invoicing machine. Now, for those of you who are interested and want to explore this system for yourselves, the developer, Nigel Crocker, actually teaches people how to build it. We've put his contact information up on the screen, just as it was provided in the source material, for anyone who wants to learn more. So, it leaves us with this one final thought. We're always looking for the next shiny new app to solve our problems. But maybe, just maybe, the most powerful tool is the one we've had all along. Could a simple spreadsheet, when you use it in this totally new way, be the key to unlocking your business's true efficiency and potential? It really makes you think.